Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Lala. Let's review our topic on traffic rules. Traffic rules. Let's start with vocabulary. Stop. Do not move. Do not move. Go. Move now. Move now. Wait. Stay still for a moment. Stay still for a moment. Red light, red light. Stop and wait. Stop and wait. Green light, green light. It is safe to go. It is safe to go. Yellow light, yellow light. Slow down and get ready to stop. Slow down and get ready to stop. Crosswalk, crosswalk. A place where people walk across the road. A place where people walk across the road. Road, road. A place where cars drive. A place where cars drive. Car, car. A vehicle with wheels that people ride in. A vehicle with wheels that people ride in. Pedestrian, pedestrian. A person who is walking. A person who is walking.